Quack, quack, quack. Quack. Hi.
Today we're making
lemon tart.
not tart, lemon tart.
Today we're making lemon tart. We're putting 250 grams of flour, and we already did. And we're gonna put.
In this,
See?
inside the bowl.
Oh. A little bit.
More, everything.
The whole thing. 75 grams of sugar. Can I do? Oh, it looks like snow.
Eat it.
It's not sweet sugar. That's a big scoop. I want to do a bigger scoop.
Enough. Alright. Oh, just nice. Look. 75.
I put the whole thing. I dump it.
Okay, good.
We need 3 egg yolks and put it in the bowl.
You have to separate the white.
Ah! Oh! What are you doing?
Separating that.
That's so yucky. It's like gooey.
Yes, I know.
But I'm gonna wash hands first. I'll be back. No. The batas to be cold.
Kena sejuk.
Kena sejuk. Done.
Mix the hand. This.
Okay. Can I do?
To crush the butter.
I am crushing it. Yeah. I want to make some more.
You then have to put the egg
Oh, I want to do.
one on one.
Why? Ah, you say 1.
2. Okay.
Now we make.
Now we mix.
Ah, gooey. Why did I do it? Can I even help? So squishy.
It's squishy. Press it. Kuat lagi. Palm. Okay.
Oh, Daddy, look at this. Look what my daddy just made. A new flower pot.
Sounds good.
Wait,
You want to take
half of it.
Remember, half is for mommy, half is for us.
But me?
That one lah.
I share with mommy. Rolling the bar. Is that one for mommy? We're gonna put this in the fridge.
Yeah, okay, break it.
I can't. Daddy, help me. 5 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What?
Use the grater.
Oh, it's not cutting. Oh my god. Oh, it's everywhere. Egg.
Yes, put it in.
What?
Put it.
Ooh, sprinkle. One for me. Chop that one. You can use that one for cooking. Ew. Try some.
I don't want. Hey.
I like that.
Okay, so squeeze the lemon. Kuat lagi, Pak?
I have. Can I drink some?
No.
Bisa lo sedut. Yee. Dek.
Slowly.
Okay. Can I put? Dump it on. Oh, it's getting white. And less. It doesn't even taste like anything.
Don't break it.
I am gonna break it.
Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, maybe.
That's so good. Roll this. Dude. Oh, wow. Oh.
Ta-da! Okay.
One eternity later.
Now we have to poke it in the middle.
Yeah, everywhere.
I don't know in the
I
middle.
show you one. I show you one. Like this.
Okay. Can I do?
Here's a little tip. The holes, we're gonna cover it with some egg wash. And it's done.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next time.
Bye. Say what?
Bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to this channel.
I have a statue.